Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction. So as you see that the Bitcoin here, it's finished the daily candle here. It's another red candle here as also being accepted, and we tell it that to you. After we touch in here the 200 moving average twice here, we touch it the first time by that one here, second time by that one here, but here in the daily there is nothing yet. Also we still waiting the break to happen down here of that inside bar we show you before. If you remember that one here, that the inside bar we talking about, till now we haven't break it above and we haven't breaking down here, so there is nothing yet. That you see that red candle here, that one here, that the inside bar also we talking about, till now we haven't break it above and we haven't break it down, and all those candles here is still inside the range of that candle. Yes, we break it by tails, but till now we haven't break down or up, so us we still waiting what the market is going to tell us. Market today it's being very flat, no move, no nothing. Me are still holding a small along in short term, but for long term people didn't know me I'm holding Bitcoin. I buy from here, I buy from here, I buy from here, I buy from here down. Till now I am not losing nothing at that level, and I hedge the risk here by a short. Now I'm still waiting what the Bitcoin is going to do. Either it's going to fall down and I'm going to profit from the short here in the future. If it's not, and go up and breaking up and hitting the stop loss for that short, fair enough. But me I'm earning from the long here. That's how me I trade. By the way, if you want to join us, you can join us in Telegram or Discord, where we're giving daily signals there. The link of our VIP Discord and VIP Telegram is down in the description of that video, but it's up to you, my friend. And here that the 200 moving averages here, the red one here is the 100 moving average, and I show you here it happened across. That means also we're going to fall down. That's what the moving average is telling us, but also we're still waiting till now for us to enter long. It's need the market to give us here a big candle to break above here. Now if ending here a very stronger resistance here, so there is nothing yet. Also we still waiting what's going to happen, and me I told you it's going to fall down till it will touch in here the 50 moving average. Then from there we're going to see maybe going up. Till now the Bitcoin is still here back in that level here, so there is nothing guys here in the daily. I think everything is too clear here, and I'm so sorry about my voice. Now let's go in to see the coming news of today for pictures get more clear to you, so let's go in there. Here we are at the coming news of today, guys. As you see it, that the news we got today, we got Germany CPI. PPI is going to come at 12:30 GMT time. Then we got FOMC meeting minute. That one is very important, so be careful guys. It's going to come at 6 o'clock GMT time. Then you change it with your local time no matter where you are, because GMT time is the world time. Then you change it with your local time. Oh, it's not world time, it's the zero, because if you know the vertical lines, the line which is 0 is GMT time. Then there is +1, +2, +5 and -1, -2, so it's like that's how it's working. Then you change it with your local time. And here we got our friend, the table of us we're looking at it every day. As you see it today, all US stocks they are green, they closing the day green. By the way, to see our analysis for the SP 500, the Nasdaq 100 and the DXY, go here in YouTube and just search for Index Insider. You're going to find our other YouTube channel where we're analyzing only the US stocks. Over there we just analyzing there the SP 500, the Nasdaq and the DXY, and we share our view for them. And here is our friend the VIX. As you see it guys, pair today or scarness still below than the average. That means also still below than 20. There is not a lot of scarness, so everything still looking great those days. Let's wait in the coming data, because that week is coming the CPI data, it's coming the FOMC meeting, so we need to focus about those things. So I think everything is too clear guys. Now let's go in to see the Ethereum what it's doing today, so let's go in there. Here we are in the Ethereum price prediction, guys. Here the Ethereum yesterday, that's what me I told you. After it happened here, that big pin bar here. Today the market it fall down. That's what me I'm telling you. I'm telling you, me I don't enter base or levels or candles or something like that. Because those levels they are made to be broken, as you see one there. Now here for us to enter long, it's need the market at least to give us here a price action, or it's need to break the trend line I showed you yesterday. Okay, to show it to you again, it's need the market to come back to break here for us to enter long to go up again. At this time there is nothing, and the Ethereum it look like maybe it's going to fall down more than that. Maybe from here it's going to reverse, so everything's still possible. And by the way, if you join us in our VIP Telegram and VIP Discord, we're not giving just Bitcoin and Ethereum, we're giving even for other cryptocurrency signals. Even you can benefit from those things. Only thing those days are being ill, so I haven't been focused a lot about trading, but you can join us there and benefiting from our daily signals there. You can ask people there. Also, we're killing it there. It's up to you, my friend. Now let's see our indicator what it's saying. Our indicator, as you see it, guys, is it down here at the oversold area level. Also, we are in a very stronger level as you see it. Should we inch along? Not yet. It's need to give us here a price action, or it's need to break here the trend line I just show you here, that one. So the Ethereum, it's need to break either one of two. Like before, we used to have here the trend line because the market don't give us their price action here. When it's breaking here in that level here, also we enter short. Yes, we enter late. I'm not say we enter earlier, we enter late, but we enter in the safe side. Now it hit for us the first, second, third profit. Even you can benefit from those things. I think everything is too clear, guys. Now let's go in to see the Bitcoin what it's doing today. So let's go in there. Here we are in the Bitcoin in the 4 hours. Here, Bitcoin, me I told you we got here the triangle like that, and down here like that. Till now it doesn't break in above here for us to enter long, and it doesn't break in down here for us to enter short. And over here it given us indecisions candles, a lot of them here. Should we enter long? Till now no. Should we enter short? Till now no. Now here, if you're looking with me here in that place here, we got a small head and shoulder here, guys, as you see it. Now that one, if it's getting broke down here, that means you need to enter short and to go with it till down here. I'm going to explain to you why me I'm looking to enter short and why me I'm still holding that short internet from here, not in the future, to hedge the risk against my longs, because me I saw in the Bitcoin couldn't give us here another high. I explained all those things before, but it's okay to repeat it. And here we say something before, but it's okay to repeat those things. We said we got here a up channel like that, as you see it, not the channel as we talking about before. As you see, you are very close to touch the lower of that channel, and that's what me I told you when we are here. I told you either it's going to fall down to touch it here, or it's going to stay sideways like that till it will touch it. And that's what happened. As you see, it's staying sideways here. It's going to touch it here, but now you need to focus about that head and shoulder, which is here as I show you, and the neckline of it is going to get broke or no, because now us, if you're looking with me here, you are in a very stronger level. As you see it, how I started from here and here, not the level me I'm talking about. If it's getting broke, that means we're going to go till down here, or you need to focus about those things. Now let's see our indicator what it's saying, guys. Our indicator, guys, as you see it, also we coming from here, from overbought area, and we breaking the trend line here, as you see it here in that zone here, and it's very close to give us another low. Now either from that level we're going to go back, or we're going to continue down till we're touching the oversold area, and that's what me have been talking about. I've been telling you also we coming from overbought area. There is no entry long unless if we touching the oversold area. So us we still waiting that one to fall down till down here for us to enter long. And here, as you see, our indicator it entered to the level where is the bears they controlling. That man also we are in a downtrend. We need just the confirmation from the price of that head and shoulder, guys. I just show you in the chart. Let's see our other indicator what it's saying, guys. That one here, as you see it, it's very close to touch here to enter to oversold area, but it's not yet breaking that neckline here. As I show you, double top head and shoulder here. But me now, I'm going to follow that head and shoulder here because it's very, very clear. If it's breaking the neckline here, that means I'm going to enter short. I think everything is too clear, guys. That only for the short. For the long, if it go up here and breaking that trend line here, I'm going to enter long because me, I don't care about those indicators. Me, I care most about price action and what the chart is telling me, because those indicators at the end, they are just escalators and they just follow the price. So I think everything is too clear, guys. Now let's go into 30 minutes to see what the Bitcoin doing today in 30 minutes. So let's go in there. Here we are in 30 minutes, guys. Over here is only for scalping and day trading. By the way, you watching me now, I know you are a subscriber and you've been with us for some time. Did you smash the like button? You haven't. Why, my friend? Pause the video now, smash the like button, write down a comment, support us, guys. You know that channel without you it can growing up. Yes, without you and the other it can growing up. So please support us by just smashing that like button, writing down a comment, and if you could even share the video. You done it? Thank you very much, my friend. Here in 30 minutes, me I enter along yesterday here. Market went up till here. It doesn't hedge for me. The first take profit of me, it was here at that level. Then it stay all the night sideways here. In the morning, it fell down here. It was very close to hit for me stop loss because me stop loss I put it in the low of that tail here. Fall down tail here. Me I'm still holding my long here. Today here down, I enter along to hedge that risk. Let's make it like that, or to martingale. Then the market went up a little bit, so me over here I take some profit from that one. Now I'm still waiting either the market to move upward from here or from here to break that level where also we're talking just now in the 4 hours. We're going to break it. That man Bitcoin is going to move more down. If we go up, I show you that trend line here. In yesterday video I told you that one what we need to focus about. Market today it stays sideways here. No volume, no volatility. People they still waiting the CPI data and the Fed meeting, what they are going to say. So even us, that's what us we do until now. I think everything is too clear. Let's see our indicator what it's saying. Our indicator, guys, as you see it, is it down here at the oversold area. We got a small divergence in the other indicator. Should we enter long now? I just show you if the market move upward here and breaking that level here. Yes, you can enter. If it doesn't, there is no entry and you need to wait and more. If it's breaking down here, even if it's that one here at the oversold area, we're going to close the long and I'm going to enter a short. Everything is too clear. So that's it for that video, and please make sure to support us by just smashing the like button, writing down a comment, and if you could even share the video. You done it? Thank you very much, my friends. See you in another video, guys. Bye for now.